Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing amazing. You guys are studying very well and you have started studying seriously for your May 26 exam. Hi guys, I am Abhishek Bansal. I am from Mumbai. I take law and audit for both inter and CA final. And CA final means SPOM law and main audit paper. That's paper number 3 in CA final. So today I am making a video. It's for all those kids who gonna appear May 26 CA inter law paper. So this is a specific video for May 26 people. Okay. So for the next 5-10 minutes, it will be a very small video. Be attentive, take a paper and a pen and sit with me and listen what I'm trying to say. Okay. Firstly, subscribe to the channel so that you are updated with if I put some other video on the content. So you are updated. Plus do like this video, share and comment in case if you have any doubt or if any points are there. Okay. And share this video in all other WhatsApp and Telegram groups so that it reaches to maximum people. Now, CA inter law, May 26, you know that we have Companies Act, we have other laws, how to approach the paper. So we have done tuitions, we have attended lectures, but there are a lot of things, there are a lot of questions in my mind how to approach that. So today I'll be talking about all these pointers. If there's any other specific point, you can connect with me over Instagram, Telegram, or you can put a comment in the comment section. I'll reply on that. Okay. Now first we talk about backlogs. So either you have attended my face-to-face or you have taken a video lecture of mine or you have taken a subscription of mine, okay? Whatever you have taken. Now there is a backlog. So how do we finish that? See, when I'm recording this video, it's around 21st Jan right now when I'm recording this video. So I'm giving you like more 15-20 days. Finish your backlog by whatever it is. Huh? No excuse now, no excuse. You finish your backlog by, I would advise you by maybe like 15th Feb. So I'm giving you more like 15 plus 10 or 25 days to finish your backlog. So that once your backlog is done, mentally you are relaxed. In case your classes are going on, your some other lectures are going on, I don't care. You need to remove time. Everybody of us have 24 hours. You need to remove time. Finish your backlog. You have your classes in the morning, later in the evening, around 7ish, 8ish, 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 2 to 3 hours, watch the lectures. So generally I take 5 to 6 hours a class in case if there's a backlog. People who have not written the notes in the class, okay, not written the notes, complete the notes in that time. So parallelly your classes are going on, you're watching a lecture and parallelly you're completing your backlog. That backlog has to be finished because without backlog finishing, without watching the lecture, without making notes, you will not be able to study. Okay. So first you finish your backlog. Number 2. So now the confusion is both groups or single group. If your eligibility, if you have thought that I should go for both the groups, May 26, go for both the groups because God has planned, God has given you a destiny and don't change God ka plan because if you change God ka plan, God will change your plan forever of your life. So guys, go and appear for both the groups. Sir, how it is possible both the groups? See, you need to first finish off your all backlogs and everything and start with your revision, by 15th Feb and start with your revision. Like parallel if your classes are also going on, it's okay. Okay, you need to finish your first revision by 31st March. 31st March. People who are appearing for only one group and if they have some classes going on right now for the other one group, for the same group, you also need to finish your classes by 31st March. Here I am talking about your revision. Huh? People for both the groups. Revision should be finished by first revision. So if I aim for 15 Feb, like 13 odd days of Feb, 31 days of March, around 40-45 days I can finish easily. Because for April month, it is again my revision. Because 3rd May to exam starts. Guys, 3rd May to exam starts, no? So both the groups is possible. Single group is obviously possible. I would still advise you go for both the groups if you're eligible to appear for both the groups in May 26. If you have done tuitions also, you go and give both the groups. Don't listen to your friend who has not given the exam. Don't listen to your family, relatives who do not know what about the CAs. You can do it. Have trust, have confidence on yourself. That's very much important. Next we talk about, sir, notes. People who have studied through me, you have those handwritten notes. Mug it up. Handwritten notes and Loka question bank is there. If you do not have the question bank, okay, you go to my website. It's www.letslearnindia.in. It's www.letslearnindia.in. Okay, can you see this free resources? You go to free resources. Okay, in the bottom you will see CA Inter Law, handwritten notes, CA Abhishek Bansal. You can download from here and CA Inter Law question bank. Download this. Our handwritten notes and the question bank. Our handwritten notes and the question from the question bank. If you don't have so much time, okay, because in case your lot of things are pending, so at least do top chapters ka question bank. Top chapters ka all the questions, okay. Now, how to decide what is the top chapter? So I have uploaded here CA Inter Law past paper analysis here and CA Inter Law MCQs. So you can download it from here, okay. See what chapter is coming for more marks. Do those chapter ka questions very much thoroughly, okay. So notes are very much important. Trust the handwritten notes. It will be easy to remember the content. Revision. Sir, how much revisions are required? So ideally we should aim for 3 revision, but if 3 is not happening, at least 2.5 revision should be there. So revision is important. Okay, so 3 revisions ka aim you have to do. So test. Academy is taking the test. Okay, go and give the test. Write the test. Multiple tests if you appear, you will definitely see, because of that fear you start studying, and with that fear you can easily appear for the exam. Achha, if you don't have time, you're from different city, you can't go to the academy, it's okay. MTPs, mock test paper will be taken by the ICA, mock test papers, okay. Download the question paper, understand the question, think of the answer. Suggested gets uploaded after 48 hours of the paper. Download the suggested and match. Like MCQ mein, like we have done in the class 1 ka A, 2 ka B, 3 ka C, okay. Write that, okay. And descriptive mein think, acha, this answer is valid, this answer is void, legal, illegal, allowed, not allowed. Just think the answer and the section number. Check with the suggested. If it's matching, it's good. If it is not, map it, mark it. Catch, I went wrong here. Should we follow trend? The answer is yes, because with the trend you will understand which chapter is important, which chapter comes for more marks. I have shown you in the class also, like see, if you see, my favorite chapters are the 12, 13, 14, 15. So LLP, GCA, interpretation, FEMA, 24 plus 10, 34 marks gets covered. This is all descriptive, 34. May 25 again 34, May 25 34 marks, Jan 25 again 34 marks, September 24 again 34 marks, May 24 again 34 marks, 34 marks that's covered here only. This is descriptive. If I open MCQ analysis, okay, September 24 say 6 plus 4 10 plus 6, 16 marks. This is Jan 25, 10 marks, 16 marks, 10 marks. May 25, 14 marks. 6 plus 6, 12 plus 2, 14. Again, 14 marks. So 34 marks in descriptive, approximately 14 to 16 marks in your MCQ. So your major chunk gets covered here only. So do LLP, GCA, FEMA, interpretation very thoroughly so that your concepts are clear. Your 45-50 marks gets covered here, and 45-50 if you aim to get 35-36 easily, you are intermediate clear, intermediate law clear. So follow this trend, okay. See this trend, there could be differentiation, agreed, but this chapters we know it's been coming like from 4 or 5 attempts. To do these chapters very thoroughly. It's not that only you have to do only this chapter. No, this has to be done very thoroughly. Like module ka behind ka question, past paper ka question, RTP, MTP ka question, our book ka question, our question bank ka question, and our notes very thoroughly. Do this very thoroughly. Then, so for doubts, where do we connect with you? You can connect with me over these are the 3 QR. That's my Telegram ka QR for doubts solving. That's YouTube ka QR of my channel, and that's Instagram ka QR. You can connect with me. Okay, if you want to speak to me, you have some specifically doubt, so you can call on this number and tell the team that please connect with me, sir. So they will match my time and we can speak to each other. Okay. Now, past papers. Solving past papers is very much important. May 24, September 24, Jan 25, May 25, September 25, and now Jan 26. This ka suggested has not come, but 5 ka suggested have come. Okay, give one day, like once you're done with the entire chapters, okay. So totally how many chapters we have? We have 15 chapters. So if you are done with the 15 chapters, give one day extra. On that day, you will not do anything. You will just solve past papers orally, like MCQ, write and solve, check answers are matching or not. Okay, and do solve descriptive. So 1 hour, 1 chapter. So I think 5 hours may will be able to finish all the 5 past papers. See what happens when you do past paper, your confidence rises. Arey yaar, My answers are right. Wow, man. Wow. Yeah, my answer went wrong. Shit, man. I do not know this concept. I need to study more harder. So you see, you have done the content with me, but you need to solve past papers orally. I'm not asking you to write. Solve orally. So please solve the past paper very much orally. Understood? Achha, trust the notes, revise the notes again and again, do FEMA, do GCA, do LLP very thoroughly because things are repetitive. When we did in the as a batch in the class, okay, you know that we have done the past paper questions also. Again, you do that, okay? In case of any doubts, you can connect with me. Cool. Achha, if any of your friends want my law ka video lecture, so there's a description below. Plus, you can buy either the group 1 ka subscription or law ka subscription. You can see the link below. Okay. If there's any doubt, you can connect with me. Bye guys, take care, enjoy, and aim for a rank or 70 plus, which is, you know, when you get 70, we go to Taj. All the best. Keep smiling. Bye guys.